Well, just a little earlier, I walked through that area with you, and we looked at a location where the honeysuckle were just being removed, and look at all the erythronium coming back and the Trillium repervatum. Here's an older area where you can see the Carex pensylvanica. See it coming through the little leaf drops from last year, and how healthy it comes through the leaf accumulation. It's really filling in nicely, and it lives well with the amount of leaf litter that falls to the ground, and it pushes its way through that. It's really an area of tremendous abundance, isn't it? The leaf litter breaks down, feeding the helping contribute to the health of the Carex. The Carex roots go deep into the earth, contributing to the health of the woody plants and the health of the spring ephemerals. And it's a system I'd like to keep continuing to understand and know at a deeper level. And in a future show, you'll meet Jerry Wilhelm, and he just has that connection, and he has the most gentlest, most wonderful way to explain that, so we all can see it in a clear picture. But look at the Carex pensylvanica, how it's come back. It just has really done a good job. There's starting to flower. It just really has done well, and you can see it's filling in this whole area. And there's the erythronium coming through at the base of the tree, probably where it's accumulated in that moss area. So it's really done well. There's this podophyllum, the apples coming up there. So it's an area that is regaining its health. And it's always fun to see that. And then I have to sometimes think to myself, how well do I understand it? And I keep learning. It's all about being the constant intern. Keep listening and learning and creating a way for that to work well. All right, I see everybody. Thanks. Bye.